Kedudasan MEGHALAYA bagi pediang sengabai pi baro syakani katup kubor menta gajan mit. Syuaban pai syaki kubor ki babaniak ngini pet syuai kimat bakongsan. Kat waste nem kicing kela hagi kam yadari kiba pai kmat halor kecing la alade kecing kentiu kat kum kecuk bamenta ong menteri rang badu keri. Hagajing yang lang patba at Sohra, penrem kinong syong shnong ya kecing kentok beria ya katan. Penpau Menteri Ketenat Ports, Shipping and Highway ke Sorkar Pedeng, Sabananda Sonowal, ya ki khatway kisnem karoi kapar, hapok gajing alam jong ke Sorkar BJP. Bat lapen long ya ke district level inter school Subroto Mukherjee Cup arajar akusan hari boy wan yashim menta arpon real teli ki school hagi jingako. Kikubor ki babnia Menteri rang badu keri Narendra Modi ulapan pau ya kicing wanra ya kicing kela ki bakrau ha ketenat ya dari haki khatway snem baladem lengba karensan social media Menteri rang badu keri ulaong ba kicing pai kmat kalong sya kicing la ban penmi ya kitiar ki ba katkum kacuk ka bamenta bat kicing la ban penmi ya kitiar hala kacong keri ulaong ba kalong ka ba aimen sim shibun ban yo I kumnu ki pait ba keri ki yatali bat kit khia ban pen klain ya keri. Ka Sohra kala saki ya kecing penlong ya kecing yalang pat ba ka bahe menta kasngi dagi nong shong shnong ki balapen pau ya kecing persyak jer ya kecing pentok beria ba dangshen ka balakta ya kathan ha kani kecing yat pat ba ka balas dang na ka office jong usiem ke hima Sohra bat ka balapen kut ha site sopen layo I ya kecing ya wan shim benta jong kinong yalam shnong ki ba ken thop ru ya MLA kathan uba Kevin Milliam MDC ba Titos Khan bat usiem ke hima Sohra upa im Freemans im. Haringkat ki menteri jong kahima Sohra. Ki pajba ki ladawa banyo ya kecing panma pajba na kitu ki badan kti ha kecing kentok pentok bria ya ka Sohra. Ha ka wei pat kalyang ki nong wan jngok kai perthei ki lapen pau ya kecing sneu hun ya kecing itenat ka Sohra bat ya kecing bha ki nong shong shnong ka ba penlong ya ki ban sneu shngan bat sneu suk mensim.
Very beautiful, very supportive, and the beauty here and the persons, their hospitality is non-parallel. And please don't blame these people for this incident. This lady has her own past, and the whole incident is just because of that. And these persons are innocent and they are very beautiful.
Isngau jak buram nama balai baki pen jak buram pat ki ong bak kidai ki nong Sohra ki nong penyak beri rei kata kalong kabam dei teh kalong kababah kelak kan kata ki ong jong kita ti bar jelamo isngau bat pendam bat isngau si kata ki ki beri ki banaban mo ki wan pentok pria yang kacakai hari ki ni ba em jana ki toris tengi so thu kat no ka kodor bangidai ban buram diri lang ako lang buram.
Menteri Ketenat Ports, Shipping and Highways ka Sorkar Pedeng. Sabananda Sonowal, ulayaro ikirukom trekam kibawanra ikijingkala hapo ka Sorkar. Kabalalam da kaseng BJP, hagajinga lang kilat patay kubor hasilong hemne kasngi. Habale kemen ya ka Viksit Bharat ka Amrit Gal, ula ajingaro ikijingkiw kayo ka kod ka India. Kajing treshitom badia karukom sensyar ka basay, kabala penlong ya kari kum kaway nakiri kibakiw stet kayo ka kod hakapertay. Sonowal ula pensyai bapalat nyo point r lak klur tingka labatha na kabenta ka roi kapa chong ka than chatei la mingi da ka chingtei ya ki jingtei bat ki chaka puli ki ba kongsan ula pen pauru ba saw point san lak klur tingka lathmu banbei ha ka North East Investors Summit ka ba pen I ya ka chingken tiu shu shu ya ka roi kapa ha ka than.
Region now become one of the growth engine for the entire country. So how it has happened in the 11 years? Because of the Honorable Prime Minister's special initiative, special drive for the overall growth of Northeast. Now this has become a reality, and in the recent past, Ministry of Donors had organized a Rising Northeast Investor Summit at Delhi. Honorable Prime Minister had inaugurated, and in that particular meeting, a lot of global industrial houses were present, and ultimately with their active participation, we got a promise of worth of rupees 4.5 lakhs crores investment.
Unong yalam jang kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulayaro iki pulit ka Meghalaya na kabenta kicing tresitom jangki banwat iki badan kti hagajing penyap ya unong indur kabadai ka kambaman kabalale deki briu ki banabar gajela ula kentu ban penlong iki kicing tokit ka bakloi bad ula banjur ba gajing bisharu kadai banlong ka bakloi u Dr. Sangma ula ong baling ba gajing ai pen cing pen saja ban kan penduk mensim yakinong le kam sniu ban wan le sniu sya kajela da ka ong bakum kani kerukom trekam dei ban penne na kabenta gi jingja baro bad om tang habasha kan thojur hakisnat pathai khubor.
We should take every incidence of crime with utmost sense of seriousness. Not only when the whole media put pressure, not only when the whole instance of such crime is brought to the notice of everybody. That is the only time when we should demonstrate, efficiency and competency and responsibility. I think efficiency and competency and the sense of responsibility of police organization has been there. As I have said, we have built strong, resilient, competent, efficient and responsible police organization over the years. I have taken pride in this.
Menteri Kejela Uba Alexander Lalu Hek ulayaro ikijing stat tokit ki pulit banwat ikijing shisha halor kijing syak penyap u Raja Rakhuwanshi tang hapo hnyau sngi ulaken tu ya ka sarkar ban pentikna ikijing bishar hok bat ban pha pan map ya ka long yeng jong uba syak penyap ki balaken tho ya Kejela Uba Hek ulama ham ba kijing bamla ban pan map kan lam chigijing ucho da ka ejahar halor kijing pen tho bria.
We are really thankful to the Meghalaya police for crack down the complete investigation within the 7 days. And also now we are seeking from the government, we are seeking the apology from the family member for the tarnishing the image of the state of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya. Also seeking the apology from the family of Sonab and also from the family of the Raja Raghuvanshi. Because they have really tarnished the image of the Meghalaya. That's why we as the people of Meghalaya, we demand the apology, or otherwise we have to file the defamation case against them.
MLA Kamau Kerwat Uba Renington L. Tongkar, Ulapele Yakaying School Kabadang Shudapshna Thamai, Chongkan Nongba Rangblang Government LP School, Kabadan Hakashnong Nongba Dom Mautung, Ha Southwest KHASI Hills District. Yakani Kaying School Lashna Hagajinglut Kabalakot, Saupusau Point Nyau Kandai Laktingka, Hapoga Infrastructure Upgradation Project Phase 2. Kani Kaying School, Kanla Bankantiu Yakarukom Aijing Hikai Hakajala. Uba Tongkar, Ulaban halor gajing don kam ban kentiu ye kaching te ye ki yang school sarkar da ka bapen pau ye kaching sneu khia halor kaching bombiang ki kamra school ki bakta ya kaching kiu ka puli puthi chong kajala
bun ki ne ki daw ke bang ipet ye kajing bomdon ha ka school ha ka ba kilalong ki parameters kat ban pendiar ye ka Meghalaya na ka education hakan ka study jo ka Sarkar India ban pendiar ka Meghalaya syaka kadon ka bah try do na kadau jo kajing bombiang jo kini ge ha kajing bomdon jo kini ki functional toilet ki bala antrikam ha kajing bomdon ki badan lakai kajing bomdon ki fencing bombiang ti kita ge ke penlong ka hadu makan dia hakan ka rating jo ka Sarkar India ya kajing don jo school ya kajing long school Meghalaya kajing ila ka Sarkar ta ko penbahan but bantau kilap penting baro hakaban penbahan nang bagi dia bantiu yang ka rating hakaba ka Sarkar India kan dia banpet ya ka bagi nom sya event hakajing pet jo ka Sarkar India ya kajing long school jo ni
Haka jingja kabas ngau san lalap ya kamet chong ikelung ibala khayap ya iba la shubret hajan ka shift mandir AOC petrol pump hawakana ya ini ikelung la itu badi ikun balakha da kawe kabriu kabala arpho kundai snem karta kabana wilwakre adingre kabala kha ya ini ikelung ha maternity hospital tura haka Pratarik ujaliu ukpa ubalasha tokit dagi pulit kentai ketura ulaong baya ini ikelung la IT shau bantep Henry hakajaka bantep yai ula shui ya kamet hakajaka Brent nyun kakemi kadangdan menta hapo gejing sha sumar ha ka hospital katba ki bor badai pej kidang penlong shushu ya gejing tokit halor kani Katanat Forest and Environment, Jongka Sarkar Meghalaya, Dangshan kala penlong ya ka training program ka baarsngi ha CF Conference Hall da Kop Grade Tura, halor kaching itu ya ki mar bi an ki bala penmi na kimrat klau, kaching khayi be an, kaching riamrat leng baki kamera, kaching kem bat kaching pelaj im ya ki besen, kaching syapu besen bat kaching yada, kaching hikai syapang ki kam penyap bi an ya kimrat klau, ka ching penne ya ki hati, bat kaching wanra ikilat kilenti ban yada na kaching wan Penchilor ki hati. Ya kani ka program la penlong da ka East and West Caro Hills Wildlife Division hagajing snok tilang bat ka Aranyak bat ka Wildlife Crime Control Bureau WCCB. Kani ka program ka kentup ya ka phang kum gaching khayi be an kimrat klau kaching pelaj im ya gibisen kaching penne iki hati bat giwe u divisional forest officer u rupankar ke marak ula banjur ba ka benta ba kongsan jong kani ka program kalong ban aibor shu ya ki officer badai pen.
This today workshop has been conducted especially on illegal wildlife trade and its identification, plus how to rescue the snakes and how to handle it. Along with that, we have also had a workshop on human-elephant conflict mitigation measures. And this workshop has been conducted in collaborations with the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau and Aranyak, the NGO from Assam. This workshop, we intend to update our staffs who are there in the field to identify illegal wildlife trade and its poaching, as well as the human-wildlife conflict.
Ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kala penlong ya ka program pensngau tho pajba ha ka khandai tarik ujaliu ha State Convention Center Shillong halor kumno ban sumari ka mariang mala kasngi u menteri katanat ki kam jingok kai perthai uba polling do bat uba RS Gil kilai shimbenta kumu kongsan bat usembut kongsan haba phai khmat halor ka phang pedeng jongka World Environment Day arajar arpusan ending global plastic pollution. Kani ka program bala ay kerteng ka rhyme of the 7 hours waste fair arajar arpusan kan ay men siem yaki kena school bakin pen i lagi jong ki sap ki phong halor ka jing penne pensa ya ka mariang kani ka program ka banchur halor ka jing kongsan ban yailong ki bakit kli ya ka mariang wat hadian ka santarik ujaliuru.
The message is very clear that we either sustain our growth through a meaningful approach to the environment and commit ourselves to the 7 R's: recycle, refuse, reduce, reuse, repair, regift, and recover. Or our future and the future of our generations to come will be at stake.
Ka district level inter-school Subroto Mukherjee Cup football tournament arajar arpusan bala penlong da ka district sports office kelas dang da kecing Shirham Haribhoi ya kani kecing elek kai la penlong Hamadan Cincona bat dihar ha ka ba arpon real teli ki school kilai shimenta ha kecing Yakob ha kecing elek kai benengkong la yo i ba ka Ribhoi Presbyterian Secondary School kala penlim ya ka St Paul's Higher Secondary School da Shiko Lanot kani ka lempung elek kai kalong ban ai men sim ki na ki badan sab ha ka ching elek kai football bat ban ken tiu ya ka kam elek kai chong ki khana ha ka district. Mentangan pet kecing long cing man kasun beneng hatura. Kecing kreat kalong 8% degree Celsius but kecing shit kalong life away degree Celsius. Kecing sngam ka hau menta kasngi kalong hendria pokundai na kashispa. Haba pai pat chanong ba shilong. Kecing kreat kalong kat pra point san degree Celsius but kecing shit kalong 8 point sao degree Celsius. Kecing sngam ka hau menta kasngi kalong khandai popra na kashispa. Kecing hap slap kalong 0.pra millimeter. Kat ba hajowai kecing kreat kalong kat khandai degree Celsius but kecing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius. Kecing sngam ka hau kalong hendria pokundai na kashispa. Kecing hap slap kalong 1 millimeter. Kala bandon kecing hap slap hakikat tu kani kicaka jengkatura jowai bat shilong. Shwaban poi sha ka bakut jengkatup kubor ngini pet biang sasisen yakim hat bakongsan. Khat waste nem kicing kela hakikam ya dari kiba paikmat halor kecing la aladi kecing kentiu kat kum kecuk bamenta ong umentri rang badu kabi. Hakajing yalang pat ba ha Sohra penrem kinong shong ya kicing kentho pentho bria ya kathan. Penpau Menteri Ketenat Ports, Shipping and Highway ke Sorkar Pedeng, U Sabananda Sonowal, yaki Katway Kisnem Karoi Kapar Hapok Gejing Alam ke Sorkar BJP. Bat la penlong ya ke District Level Interschool Subroto Mukherjee Cup Arajar Arposan, Hari Bhoy, Wan Shimenta Arpog Rio Keliki School Hagijing Yakob. Ti paralok katungi lapoi syaka bakut jong katup kubor jungi menta ka janmiet haduk bangin daya syembiang bat pila syai kasngi kublai pi baro.
Changes in the country. He also highlighted the progress witnessed in Assam under the Modi's leadership.
Hey 11 বছৰৰ কাৰ্যকালত আজি ভাৰতৰ জনসাধাৰণে এক গৌৰৱ উজ্জ্বল আৰু